Hi Chef, my name is Olivia Jones, and for my final I'm going to be making a snickerdoodle recipe to demonstrate lipids and the difference between baking powder and baking soda. So as you can see, my workspace is clean. I have the oven preheated, so that's what that noise was. So I have my flour, sugar, egg, and vanilla already in here, but what I'm going to do now is demonstrate the difference between baking powder and baking soda. So this recipe calls for baking soda and for cream of tartar. Baking soda is 100% bicarbonate, while baking powder has acidic and drying agents in it, which means they cannot be substituted for one another. If a recipe has an acidic compound in it, like cream of tartar, we're going to use baking soda because it needs the acidity to react, while baking powder already has the acidity in it. So this recipe calls for 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar, so I'm going to add that now. Okay, I'm going to mix it in. The next part I'm going to put in is the margarine. It calls for 1/2 cup, which is the whole stick. Butter is a lipid, which is a hydrocarbon that contains storeable energy. We focused on triglycerides in class, which means it has a glycerol head and 3 fatty acid chains. Glycerides can be separated by room temperature, so fats are solid at room temperature and oil is liquid at room temperature, so this is a fat. I'm going to go ahead and add it now. Okay, once it's all mixed in, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator and let it cool for 1 hour. Then I'm going to roll it in a mix of 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. And then I'm going to roll it into this mixture, put it on the baking sheet, and let it cook for 8 to 10 minutes at 375. Thank you. Hi Chef, it's me again. So I've taken the dough out of the refrigerator. I have a batch in the oven right now that's about to come out. But what I did was I rolled the dough into a ball and then rolled it in the cinnamon and sugar. And put them about 2 inches apart on a baking sheet. I made just about 2 dozen. When I'm done with that, I will put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, and this batch is about out now.